Hey, back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to update the Android version on your phone, step by step, in a simple and easy way. First of all, open the Settings app. This is the main control center where you can manage all important options like network, display, security, and system updates. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down slowly and look for the software update or system update option. On some phones, you may need to tap About Phone first and then select Software Update. Next, tap on Download and Install. Your phone will now start checking for any available updates. This process usually takes around 2 to 5 seconds, depending on your internet connection and device model. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery, or keep it plugged into a charger during the update. If your screen shows a message like your device is already up to date, that means your phone is running the latest Android version, just like mine. Updating your Android version helps improve performance, adds new features, and increases security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share,